Hello guys, welcome back. In our video today I'm going to show you how to create animated YouTube intro on your mobile phone. The first application you want to make sure you have is TuneMe, and you can get it on your Google Play Store. Just install and open. Then you'll want to go through the various animated images and try to figure out the kind of animation you want. And I have selected mine, and I'll just go and upload a photo from my phone and allow the app to do the magic for me. The second application is Mortion Portrait, and you can get it at Google Play Store, and you'll just have to upload it, install it, and go back to the image you just finished editing with the TuneMe and just upload it. Then you'll have to adjust the mouth and the eyes to enable you to blink. It will help you blink, help your image blink, that is. Just adjust everything and let it do the magic. On your left, there are various emojis that represent the mood that you want your image to have. So you just have to go through all of them and choose your favorites. The third application is Canva, so you'll just have to go to the search bar and type YouTube intros, and you go with the blank document. Just click on the plus sign, then go to gallery and upload the video that you just edited with the motion portraits, and upload it into the application, the blank document. Here I'm just adjusting the image to be the way I want it to be before I start editing or adding more things into it. I am just going to the text area and type my name on the intro. Here I'm just changing the fonts, the font size, and animating my name. I'm just downloading the image to my phone and going to the last application, which is InShot, still found on Google Play Store. Here I'm just adding filters to smooth out the edges of the image, and then also add effects. I'm just adding the typewriter effect on the name as it appears, and just zooming the image out. Since my image is 6 seconds long, to extend it, I'll just add a blank document, and I'll just go to the color and change the color to white. I am just going to the emoji button and select GIF, and I just add a subscribe button by typing subscribe in the search section or the search bar. and then I just choose from the animated images that appear, and I just adjust it accordingly. That is my end result. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and that's my end result.